Hello everyone, welcome to Red9SysTech. Myself, Karthik Purnaswamy. Today we are going to see one of the interesting question most of the people they ask in interview. Why we have a main class, main method in Java is public, static, void, right? Let's understand this in detail. So whenever I say main class, is nothing but a class which contains a main method, right? What is the main method? I want to create a method called main, right? Which accepts string array of string as arguments. That's all, right? Which means the way how I can create it, I can simply create a method in which I need to get array of strings as arguments. Okay, every method will have a return type. Since this is the first starting point for my JVM to start executing the program, I'm not expecting anything this method to return anything, right? So that is why I'm saying void. Now I want to say this method, if my JVM wants to call from outside of the class, JVM doesn't need any object to call this method, isn't it? So for that, if I don't want to create any object for a particular class, then definitely I can make that method as static, right? So that is why you are making main method as static. That is why you are giving void because it's not returning anything. Now I want to make my JVM to call from outside of the class to execute this method. That is why it is publicly accessible. So it is public. So if you guys understand this one, public, static, void, then main, then arguments, right? This is what the beauty of this particular main method. So in order for my JVM to call from outside of my class, it should be public. So that is why I'm making my main method as public. Second thing, without creating an object of this class, I want to call this method. That is why I'm making it as static. And third thing, my main method, I'm not expecting it to return anything because it's just a starting point to execute the program. That's all. So that is why my main method should be always public static void, so that like you can make your JVM to execute your program starting from here. I hope this is very clear. If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share with your friends. Thank you.